Good morning, students. Today we are discuss about graphics and multimedia. What is a graphic? What is a multimedia? We discuss in this chapter. Before that, the overview of graphics and graphics everywhere. You may not realize that many of the images you see are created on a computer. From postage stamps to magazine, from billboards to television programs, all kinds of graphics are created and edited using computers and graphics software. Graphics programs are the designers who use them have become so polished that it is of is often impossible to tell a paragraph or hand draw illustration from a computer generated graphic. With the computer's capability to mimic traditional artists, media, graphics, software allows artists to do with a computer what they once did with the brushes, pencils, and darkroom equipment. Similarly, architects and engineers now do most of their design and rendering work on a computers. Although many were trained in traditional paper based drafting methods, by using the computer they produce designs and renderings that are highly accurate and visually pleasing. Graphic software has advanced a great deal in a short time. In early 1980s, most graphics programs were limited to drawing simple geometric outlines, usually in one color. Today, graphics software offers advanced drawing and painting tools and almost unlimited color control. You can see the products of these powerful tools everywhere you look. Their results can be suitable or stunning, obviously artificial or amazing like lifelike. These are the overview of graphics and multimedia. The main objectives. The objective is define the terms of bitmap and vector and different these file types. Another objective is list of the some most commonly used file formats for bitmap and vector images. Next objective is identify 4 ways to load graphic files into a computer. These are the main objectives of graphics and multimedia. Understanding graphics file formats. Computers can create many kinds of graphics, from simple line drawings to three-dimensional animations, but all graphic files fall into one of two basic categories known as bitmapped and vector files. Bitmap and vector graphics, these are the graphic file formats. First we discuss about bitmap. Graphics files are made up of either a grid called a bitmap, whose cells are filled with one or more colors. The individual cells in the grid can all be filled with the same color, or each cell can contain different color. The term raster is sometimes used to describe bitmap images. Bitmap also may be referred to as bitmapped images. The easiest way to image how bitmaps work is to think of your computer's monitor. It displays images as collection of individual colored pixels. Each pixel is cell in the grid of a bitmapped image. In fact, the individual pieces that make up a bitmapped image are often called pixels. Each pixel is a cell in the grid of a bitmapped image. The individual pieces that make up a bitmapped image are often called pixels. A set of vectors, which are mathematical equations describing the size, shape, thickness, position, color, and fill of lines or closed graphical shapes. Some types of graphics programs work with bitmaps. Some work with vectors and some can work with both. Each type of graphics file has its own advantages and disadvantages. Whether you use a bitmap or vector based program depends on what you are trying to do. For example, if you want to able to retouch a photo or create seamless tilling textures for the web or for 3D surface, or create image that looks like a painting, you will choose bitmap based softwares also. Vector based software is a best choice if you want to flexibility of resizing an image without regarding its sharpness, the ability to respond elements easily an image, the ability to achieve an illustrate look as when drawing with a pen or pencil. Strictly speaking, vectors are lines drawn from one point to another, as shown figure. Vector based software can use mathematical equations to define the thickness and color of line, its pattern or fall, and other attributes. Although a line on the screen is still displayed as a series of blocks, because that is how all monitors work. Vector based software can use mathematical equations to define the thickness and color of a line, its pattern or fill, and other attributes. Although a line on the screen is still displayed as a series of blocks, because that is how all monitors work. It is an equation to the computer. Thus, to move the line from location A to location B, the computer substitutes the coordinates for location A with those for location B. This substitution saves the effort of calculating how to change the characteristics of thousands of individual pixels. File formats and compatibility issues. Perhaps more than rather types of computer generated documents, graphics files require users to understand and work with different types of file formats. A file format is a standardized method of encoding data for storage. File formats are important because they tell the program what kind of data is contained in the file and how the data is organized. File formats may be proprietary or universal. The structure of a property file format is under the sole control of the software developer who invented the format. Universal file formats are based on openly published specifications and are commonly used by many different programs and operating systems. For example, Adobe Photoshop by default saves image in its property PSD format, but it also can save files in several universal formats such as TIFF, TIF, GIF, GIF, JPEG, PICT and TGA. Word processing programs can read and save files in specific formats as doc or RTF or TXT. Adobe Photoshop by default save images in its property PSD format, but it also can save files in several universal formats such as TIFF, GIF, JPEG, PICT and TGA. Nearly all bitmap based graphics programs can use any of the file formats listed in this slide. For this reason, these formats are said to be compatible with such programs. For example, most bitmap based programs can open, read and save a file in GIF format and convert it to a different bitmap format such as a TIF. Most bitmap based programs can open, read and save a file in GIF format and convert it to a different bitmap format such as TIF. Most vector based programs create and save files in a property file format. These formats are either incompatible with other programs or they are not totally supported by other programs. The problem with incompatibility led developers to create universal file format for vector based programs. Only a handful of common file formats such as DXF, that is data exchange format, and IGES, initial graphics exchange specification, exist for vector graphics. Some formats and descriptions we discuss in this. Now BMP, then BMP description is bitmap, a graphics format native to Microsoft Windows BMP is widely used on PCs for icons and wallpaper. Some Mac programs also can read BMP files. The BMP file format supports up to 24-bit depth color over 16 million different colors. PICT Picture. This is the native format defined by Apple for use on Mac computers. It is widely used on Macs but is not usually used on PCs. TIFF TIFF description is tagged image file format. Tagged image file format is a bitmap format defined in 1986 by Microsoft and Aldous, now part of Adobe, and widely used on both Macs and PCs. This format is usually the best to use when exchanging bitmap files that will be printed or edited further. JPEG JPEG description is Giant Photographic Experts Group. Giant Photographic Experts Group. JPEG is often abbreviated as JPG, pronounced JPG. This bitmap format is common on the World Wide Web and is often used for photos and other high resolution 24-bit or millions of colors. These images that will be viewed on screen. GIF Graphic Interchange Format, like JPEG images. Graphic Interchange Format images are often found on World Wide Web pages. Unlike JPEG images, GIF images can contain only 256 or fewer unique colors. Next, EMF. EMF description is Windows Enhanced Metafiles. This format was originally developed for the Microsoft Office suite for applications. It uses the Windows built-in graphics device interface or GDI to create images that can be scaled to display at the highest possible resolution on any device selected, screen or printer. This technology creates something of a hybrid between the vector graphics and bitmap types. Since EMF bitmaps can resized without any loss of quality. getting images in your computer. How to get images in your computer? Nearly all graphics programs let you create images from scratch by building lines and shapes into complex graphics. But artists and designers do not always start from scratch. They often begin with an existing image and then edit or enhance it by using graphic software. There are several ways to load images into a computer for editing, but the most common methods are scanners. Scanners, an image scanner is like a photocopy machine, but instead of copying an image onto paper, it transfers the image directly into the computer. A scanned image is usually a bitmap file, but software tools are available for translating images into vector format. Next, another one is digital cameras. A digital camera stores digitized images for transfer into a computer. The resulting file is generally a bitmap. The digital camera image is usually a JPG file. Next, digital video cameras. A digital video camera captures and stores full motion video on small types or optical discs. You can copy the content onto a computer for editing or transfer to another storage medium, such as DVDs. Next, clip art. The term clip art originated with large books filled with professionally created drawings and graphics that could be clipped from the pages and glued to a paper layout. Today, clip art provides an easy way to enhance digital documents. Many software programs, especially word processors, feature built-in collection of clip art, and collection are also available on CD-ROM, and the internet. Clip art can be either bitmap or vector format. These are the getting images into your computer: scanners, digital cameras, digital video cameras, clip art, etc. Next, we discuss next video lesson graphic software print programs, draw programs, computer aided designs programs, that is CAD, computer aided design, and 3D animation software, etc. Thank you for watching this video.